Hi, so welcome to section 6, video 32, and in this video we're going to be covering the third link building strategy, and that is resource link building. So here is how this strategy is going to work. We're going to find relevant resource pages, i.e. pages that provide links to helpful websites, and we're going to be looking particularly at dog blogs in this example. To do this, we're going to use the following search operators. So the first one being niche, i.e. dog blogs, plus in URL colon links, so this here being the search operator. The other ones we could use are niche plus helpful resources here being in speech marks, similar for niche plus useful links, and this is the one we're going to look at particularly. And then finally, you're going to reach out to these websites to see if your website can be linked to. So very simple process, similar to the ones we've seen before. And without further ado, let's jump into Google. Okay, so once again, we are on trusty old Google, and we're going to search for dog blog plus, and then that search operator, useful resources. In this example, we're going to imagine we are some sort of dog product. Maybe we are selling a dog bowl or something along those lines. Yeah, let's say we're selling dog bowls, fancy dog bowls, and we want to find websites that are linking to dog bowls and see if we can provide a link to our website as well. So let's look at this. Immediately we have a few that come up. So useful resources here, daycare for the dogs. We'll check that one out. Scrolling down, pets located, I'm going to ignore Mumsnet. Dog trainers provide useful resources, potentially. Have a look at that one. Useful dog training tips to help prepare pet owners, maybe. This one looks good, dogowner.co.uk, so we'll check that one out, and we'll leave it at that for now, just to see what we got. So I've opened these in separate tabs. So the first one here, we have daycare for the dog, the ultimate canine blog. Sounds promising. If I scroll down, looking here, I haven't actually got any links. So no, this one doesn't look particularly good, to be honest. Very short. No, we're going to ignore that one. And let's move on to the next one. So here we have dog training nature's way. A few resources again. Looks a little disappointing. Going to ignore that one. Let's see the third one, dogowner.co.uk. So this one looks more promising. So here we do actually have links to websites. And yeah, so I mean, it's not the best, but it could actually be quite a good website. So the next check we will do is similar to what we've done before, just see how legit this website actually is. So dogowner.co.uk, going to go back to our trusty SEMrush, paste that in here into the backlink analytics, just to see what we're getting for the backlink metrics. So authority score 41 is actually pretty good, similar for referring domains, backlinks looks good, monthly visits looks good. You know what, looks like a strong website. So we've identified, therefore, that this website could be one that we want to get a link from. So we would suggest to this dog owning website that we do have a useful resource in the form of dog bowls that they could link to on their website if they're interested. So how do we go about reaching out to this particular website to suggest this idea? Well, what we could do is use the following template, which I've put together. And again, you can find a link to this particular template in the resources of this video. So it goes as follows. You've got the subject line, a question about the name of their website, in this case, dogowner.co.uk. And then hi, name of the person that owns the website. In this case, just looking at the bottom, it looks like it's either Adrian Hardwick or Jeff Carbridge. You'd want to double check that, so put the name of the person here. I was Googling for content about the name of the topic, in this case, dog products, this morning when I came across your excellent resource page, and then linked to that particular URL. So dogowner.co.uk/resources. I just wanted to say that your page helped me a lot. I would never have found the resource that they linked to without it. It's funny, I recently published a guide on something to do with dogs last month. And then give a brief description of what this content is. So again, here we are providing valuable content, and you're suggesting that they could link to this particular guide. Maybe it's about dog bowls on their website. Here it is in case you'd like to check it out. Also, my guide might make a nice addition to your page. So there is really the hook. That's where we're trying to get them to agree to this. Either way, thanks for putting together your list of resources and have a great day. Best wishes, your name. So you can see here, not pushy at all. We're just trying to provide value. And if they like our guide, let's say it's about dog balls that we've written about, then they can link to it here. So again, just rinse and repeat this process. Ideally, you'd like to try and provide unique content to every website. Appreciate that can be quite time consuming. So the guides don't necessarily have to be pages and pages long. You could just put together a simple blog post which details different types of dog bowls, maybe some that are colorful, maybe they're inexpensive. You get the idea, just trying to provide value. Reach out to these websites, see if you can get a link to it, and there you have another link building strategy. Hope you found this strategy useful. I'll see you for strategy 4.